have you ever pressed the button without knowing what it would do to you, but then it kills you instantly? Well, here's a second life of that when we're playing Don't Press the Button 2. And I don't know what's happening. It's like a fidget spinner. Oh! I really love this game. The first one I haven't posted out yet. Probably after this video. I'm going to check. Probably after this video, I'm going to post it.
I'm growing.
You are growing now. I'm growing the biggest stuff. I'm the biggest.
No, I am.
I'm the biggest.
No, I am.
It's breaking my game.
I know it's breaking my game too.
I don't know. Oh! Oh, look at me. Oh, I was so much enjoying that. I'm not lying.
Great. Just gonna die there either way.
I hate this one. I'm not lying. I never had beaten. Oh my god, that's why. That was just something about it.
I almost won, but there was like this spot that was too big to jump.
The king.
Dude, I already spawned it up here.
Oh, that's
I spawned it at the top.
Wait, but how?
I don't
It's
know.
like you had luck. What? I hate that. That's not
I see you up there.
Break the glass! Break the glass! Break the glass!
Throw this up here, going at people's heads.
I really don't know what's happening, guys. I really don't know what's happening. You're very lucky, Val. I spawned it up there before. Trampoline!
I remember that.
Woohoo! I love these. Whoa, that's big.
Let me get the this guy already got one.
Okay.
Oh, yeah,
That guy just got a big head for no reason. I think that guy has admin, but who knows? Hey, it's like rainbow, like my shirt. Staircase.
Just jump down, okay?
I'm jumping down, and I'm hacking the system, and I just made the middle of the target. Like a box.
I got in the middle.
What do you mean? Me too, bro. But then I died somehow.
I got in the middle there.
Big hair. Wait. Oh, I wasn't even expecting that to happen. I
want it.
Yeah, me too. I got half of my skin, but I think it's alright.
Oh my gosh,
This one's hard. No, this one's easy. Simon says red.
Some says red. I'm only red.
Okay, good.
Dude. Those people died.
Red again.
Why?
He tried to trick us, bro. He tricked. Bro, that guy almost died.
Simon says
Yellow.
Yellow.
Everybody hurt, dude.
Don't.
You died?
Yes.
So at least some people
Someone
died.
punched me.
This is technically purple,
Someone punched
but
me.
who cares? Simon says yellow. I can't move. Oh my god, my camera almost killed me. Guys from camera. Camera attack. Oh, I would have got points from that. Yes! Let's go! The color Simon says champion is me.
Oh, unicorn. Unicorn that's sporting rainbows
Wait,
is here.
where? Oh, there it is! Oh no, right there. Come on. You should pick me. What? He just died.
Yes!
Soccer!
Push it off the edge.
Alright.
And get the
Play
gold
soccer.
coin.
Let's play soccer, boy.
Come on. Pushing it off the
No.
edge. That's what everybody likes to do.
And come on, we have to make a goal.
Push it off the
We have to
edge.
make a goal.
No, I have to push it off the edge.
Everybody's pushing it. Yes, make a goal. Make a goal.
No, push it off the edge.
Yes!
Yeah, let's just make a goal.
Oh. Alright,
Okay.
fine. We're never gonna make a goal, because you guys.
Yeah, we just want to push it off.
We just want to make a goal. That's our life. Oh, okay, speedrun. Basically speedrun.
I'm bad
The
at
champion!
I'm bad at speed running.
I'm okay.
I fell off. But they know it's almost happened.
Oh, I just died. What? I say I'm okay? Bro, I did so good behind camera.
You go on the yellow. And then you just go back, and then you do fast food.
Yeah, you can do that. Oh, wait, I'm hacking the system.
How?
I don't even have the speed run. No. Oh, yay. Oh, wait. I just died. Do I have any time for this? Am I gonna make it? No, I'm probably not. Hey, Val, tag.
I have a speed limit.
Hitching sign. Oh.
Everybody thinks so. Hey, this goes so many.
Only 2 people made it. Or all those names. Oh my god. Noob, I love you, Noob. Marry me so much. Marry me.
You think he's sexy?
Oh, look at that bald head, bro. Oh, that was a quick one. It's just like the cows from Elevator. Where is it?
We have to go on the button.
Oh, okay.
Just stand on
Guys.
the button. You're better on the
We can calm down, guys. Bro, that girl's gonna risk it and get that gold coin. Are you serious, girl? She's gonna die. Oh my god. Ah. I don't like this. Do we have to live our life in the box like that? Every day gets closer. No, every hour, every minute, every second, every.
We're trying to press the button. Drake, help us
Every
press the button.
cinematic. Oh my god! I won this before, but I died instantly. I won this before.
I was funny, but this strong guy killed me.
I won like 2 times.
This guy killed me. He was really strong. He was a ninja.
I won 2 times. My name is Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Okay, guys, we're gonna be back. Guys, we died, and then we became to heaven. We're in the sky. Oh my god! God, come! Wait, wait. How are we still? Oh wait, we can jump.
Drake, you could jump up here. Come jump on the.
Oh! Oh! Ow, that hurted my leg.
I know that happened. I like.
What's the button?
Jump. Everybody jump.
Oh, yes!
Thing again. No. Maybe it's pink. Pink.
I'm on the edge of it. Start, guy. Green. Let's go. Let's go, boy.
Green line. This is line, not green.
It said green. Yellow. Well, oh, I thought you died. Simon says red. If you close your eyes. Blue.
All the way over here. Oh, it has a big one too.
Oh my god.
This is pink. Right here.
The singer Pink or the singer Her.
I remember.
Yes, we survived.
We survived it.
Simon says you got nothing on us.
Oh, this again.
Oh my god. Who keeps picking these? Speedrun is the worst. Well, I'm the worst at speedrun is actually not bad. It's really hard.
Might actually win this time.
Yeah, but
No, I died.
you're like, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna win.
Yeah, seriously, I was so close to winning.
I'm gonna be back. And that's why you don't play
Drake,
games
just
while the
touch this,
party's
just
at your
touch
house.
this,
I'm just
and
kidding.
then go over here and you can run as fast.
My name is Drake.
Oh, you won?
I'm not working. Oh! I'm bald. I was bald for like 2 seconds. That guy's bald for his whole entire life. That guy has bacon in his hair that I'm probably gonna eat. Hair! Money! My god, tight ropes.
I hate this one. I'm scared of it.
What? I'm doing so bad.
This person pushed me off.
I'm doing so bad. There's a hat, free hat right there. I'm doing so bad today. You know what? I'm just gonna do this.
Hey,
Okay, guys. It's raining dogs,
I call this
guys. It's raining dogs.
Drake,
you guys
right?
also
Alright,
fish
guys.
guys?
Guys, I won the championship with swords. Yes, I'm the championship! The championship, Drake! I killed everybody. That was good. I really enjoyed that. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. It has my name. Let's go. Are the lights gonna turn off? The bacon hair tried to kill me. Superman!
Press him, press him. We have to press him to fly. Oh.
I pressed him, I think. I don't know, I pressed him. Did he just fly by himself?
I think so.
That wasn't part of the game, right? Oh, here he goes. Superman! Come! I like him. you're holding.
No.
That's a wild poisonous.
That guy has Robux.
Hogwarts. No, it's fake, bro. I saw this in one of the games.
I know.
Yeah, no, it's fake because it's.
I know, but you have to
fake.
buy it with Robux.
I hope it shows us the lava dude.
I'm on this hoverboard right now.
Yes! I live in the lava ducky.
Me too.
Ah! What is happening? Why did I like that? And what is happening? Trampoline! Oh! Oh! Here comes my special moves. And then there's just fake Robux. Oh my gosh. Jump as fast. We're gonna put the flat.
I bought those trampolines.
There's a hoverboard to get stuck on. I hate it every time I get on a hoverboard and get stuck on. Hey girl, you wanna go in my head?
Oh no.
What is happening? Please be a challenge. You know, something. I'll turn off the lights.
Wait, can't we just go through it?
Oh, wait, you can. Wait. So it's telling you to do that for nothing?
Yeah.
Did you do it? I didn't go through. Well, it's kind of like the last one. All right, noobs. Fake Robux noobs. You are going to jail.
Yeah, we're getting that fake Robux.
You're busted. Yobux. Where are Yobux? It's that one right there. Come back.
Jake, we have to do parkour.
A parkour? I didn't even see that.
Parkour.
Parkour. One time I got the top. Because you know I'm a parkour.
I've never got there. I jumped too high.
Oh. What?
I didn't even get the fence.
I know, me too. I was about to make it. Well, maybe not.
I died already. I died
Oh,
instantly.
I just instant oof, oof, oof. Everybody's dying next to me. How can this happen to me? I made one mistake. No, nobody got to there. Nobody's there.
Won,
No,
everybody's dead.
the statue's still.
Remember
standing
when
up.
he passed the block?
Oh my gosh, what is happening? Why is there light?
I don't know. There's life in there.
Hey, Doctor Who guy, he's back. Oh my god. It's Vietnam. It's like Vietnam all over again. Atomic bombs. Oh damn, this bomb right there. Oof, I heard that. I oofed. People are jumping in the sky. What is happening?
Let's go to both.
I saw rainbow unicorns while bombs are coming, and then Baldi's just like, wow.
Come on, I was gonna jump over it.
I almost died.
And then this person pushed me in there. Straight, go in the middle.
Oh yeah, I could just done that.
Slide.
At least it's. Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is going on? What?
Who's putting on bright lights?
I know. Who's Rainbow? Pikachu shirt guy right there. Let us out! Oh, it's that person. You got some earthquake. Wait. I'm just gonna take my very own time. Such a beautiful day. What is happening? I keep saying that. There's a girl eating watermelon. Can you share your watermelon, please? I died instantly. Just kidding. Tsunami.
I didn't even say that. I was too busy getting a cookie.
Am I that dumb? Did I really think Valentine was gonna get farther than me?
No, I'm gonna die instantly.
I had to survive that.
I almost survived.
Whoever survived had my power with them. Some people wanted their heads to pop. I didn't say that.
I don't want to.
My head is not going to pop. Okay, good. I survived.
Good, my head popped.
Oh,
I mean,
what?
it didn't pop.
Hey, I want to touch the rainbow. Oh.
What's it wrong?
Oh my god. That rainbow scared me to death. I thought that was a lava wall coming.
Yeah, it is a
instantly.
lava wall.
No, not that. Like, you don't get it.
Oh, you mean a little rainbow
Oh,
map?
it's going fast. Never mind. What happened? What is happening if you zoom out? What? We could just stop here. Oh, what's happening?
This is glitching my server.
The server gets better when you're fully grown. I'm turning gray. It's the old-fashioned days.
Oh.
Bye. Boom, boom. Cause you. Am I the only giant here?
I'm giant.
I don't see you, giant.
I'm really giant.
What just happened? Oh my God! Here we go again with the broken bridge. Oh! I went through the bridge. Yeah, I'm not trying that.
I did it, Trick, I did it!
Yeah, me too. Definitely, I did it. I did.
Yay! I like this one because then you get to
5,
fall from the sky.
2, 1. Hit that! Hit! Well, I didn't expect that. Bro, that guy was rolling on the ground.
Oh gosh, he rolled again.
Each night. How do you survive this? Are you still there, Mel?
Yeah.
Oh, you died. Why is this happening? Why are we jaywalking?
One time I actually survived.
Yeah, right.
No, seriously.
Yeah, right. Alright, guys, we're gonna
People
be
are
back.
practicing crossing.
We're gonna be
there.
back, bro. Okay.
Oh, playing soccer.
Okay. Yeah, we're playing soccer.
And we pushed off the edge again.
Alright, guys, we're gonna be back. See. Alright, guys, we're back. Yeah, she survived. Alright. So, what's that? Oh!
This girl was so stupid that she went in the water.
Hey! Look, and you find... It's my favorite. Give the rainbow poop to me.
The rainbow butt.
Hey, it's the girl with the magic. She's a king. I'm in the tornado. I'm in the tornado. What is happening? That's not a tornado. Listen, I haven't been in tornadoes. I probably don't know what I'm saying, but there's probably nothing like that. Green.
BRB.
Oh!
BRB
Okay, you ready?
means you ride back.
Okay, let's go on the blue.
Thank you. There is so much uncertainty right now. Plenty of
Ah,
yourself. Straight to our expert every night.
Oh yeah, just stay on the blue. He won't say it again, will he?
Providing you answers.
Okay.
Fox News contributor, medical
Now we go.
Hey, we survived. What's this? Oh yeah. Bubblegum, 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 bubblegum. Yeah. Let's go up here